We keep finding ourselves thrown around in space, hurtling through the cosmos alongside our solar system and the Milky Way galaxy. Our galactic home is flying at over 600 kilometers per second, hurtling towards a mysterious region of space known only as the Great Attractor. Now, as terrifying as that may sound, rest assured, we are in no actual danger. At least according to NASA, we won't get anywhere near the Great Attractor for another 100 billion years. That's enough time for all of us to enjoy a nice hot cup of tea and reflect on how absolutely wild it is that we are traveling through space at such a rapid pace. So let's take a moment to explore what the heck the Great Attractor actually is, where it came from, and why it's possibly one of the most dangerous places in the entire universe. The Great Attractor is a cosmic anomaly, lurking in a previously unexplored part of the sky, obscured by the thick clouds of stars and dust in our own galaxy. Its exact location is in the constellation of Centaurus, roughly between the Southern Cross and the Antares. For decades, astronomers struggled to see past the celestial fog and truly understand the nature of this strange phenomenon. But the evidence was undeniable. Galaxies in our galactic neighborhood were all moving in the same direction, as if some invisible hand was pulling them in. Realizing this in 1978, astronomer Alan Sandage described it as the most astonishing thing in cosmology. But here's the real head-scratcher. Scientists have no idea what it actually is. Astronomers at first assumed it was an enormous cluster of galaxies, perhaps even larger than the Laniakea supercluster, which contains our Milky Way and many others. However, the math just doesn't add up. The gravitational pull of such a cluster shouldn't be strong enough to affect galaxies beyond a certain distance. But the influence of the Great Attractor extends much further, like an invisible force reaching out across the cosmos. And that's not all. Some galaxies within the Great Attractor seem to be receding from it, further deepening the mystery. If it is a massive cluster of galaxies, why aren't all the galaxies moving towards it? And if it's not a cluster, what exactly is it? What's really going on here? One leading theory is that the Great Attractor is a massive concentration of dark matter, the mysterious invisible substance that makes up 85% of the universe, but is almost impossible to detect. Dark matter's presence is inferred through its gravitational effects on visible matter, but we have never seen it directly. Some scientists believe the Great Attractor could be a dark matter halo, an immense sphere of dark matter so dense that its gravity distorts the fabric of space-time. Other astronomers think it could be a supercluster of galaxies so vast that we can barely comprehend it. A supercluster is a collection of galaxy clusters grouped together, and the largest one in the observable universe is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. It stretches for nearly 10 billion light-years and contains over 10,000 galaxy clusters. But even that may be dwarfed by the true extent of the Great Attractor. Perhaps the most mind-bending theory is that the Great Attractor could be a colossal black hole. Imagine a region of space where the gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape its grasp. Black holes are known to warp space and time around them, creating a sort of cosmic drain that sucks in anything that ventures too close. While black holes can be relatively small, some are truly gigantic. The largest known black hole, nicknamed the Unicorn, resides in the center of the M87 galaxy and has a mass nearly 10 billion times greater than our Sun. If such a monster lurked at the heart of the Great Attractor, it could explain its unusual gravitational properties. The scariest part, we are heading straight for it. The Milky Way, along with thousands of other galaxies, is being pulled into this gravitational abyss. But fear not, intrepid space cadets. Even if we do get sucked into a black hole, we'll probably be safe. According to current scientific understanding, black holes don't actually suck anything in. Objects need to get uncomfortably close before they start getting pulled in, and we won't get anywhere near the Great Attractor for another 100 billion years. Plenty of time for a little intergalactic road trip. Just make sure to pack your space snacks and prepare for an adventure of a lifetime, because whatever the Great Attractor turns out to be, one thing is certain: it will change our understanding of the universe forever. What do you think? Should we try to uncover the secrets of the Great Attractor, or are some things better left unknown? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the universe has many more wonders waiting to be explored. Until next time, keep looking up.